Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the Messenger app and on the screen you can see they're gonna ask you for your mobile number or email and password. Even though you have deactivated your Messenger, all it takes to reactivate is to log into your account. Now, type in your email address. Make sure it's the email address or number that's linked to the account you want to reactivate. Then, go ahead and type in your password. Make sure it's correct. Then, select login. Then, now they're gonna ask you if you want to save your login info. Tap on save, or it's your preference, so you can tap on not now. How to? Now I'm gonna allow the notifications from Messenger. It might take a few seconds, and guys, there you go. You have successfully reactivated your Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.